Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini website right here, Gemini.com, if you have not already. So once you open it up, it's going to look like this. If you're using the mobile version, you can just click download the app option, which is going to take you to the App Store. You can go to the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening up, the process is going to go exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the mobile version. What we need to do first is to go and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can use the get started option to go ahead and create an account, and once you've gotten your account ready, go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, now we can get started accessing right here at the top of the screen the crypto sections, from where we can go and take a look at NVIDIA Corp tokens right here. So basically you're going to go and be able to take a look at the volume, the circulating supply, market cap, and so on. And from here we can go and take a look at everything about NVIDIA Corp. So from here you can get started taking a look at how to invest into it, and you can go and find similar stock for NVIDIA right here in the crypto option. By opening up crypto, it's going to show you all the prices, and you can search for NVIDIA. As you can see, it's going to go ahead and show you the results for any NVIDIA asset that is available. Currently you do not have NVIDIA related tokens on Gemini, but if they ever come, they're going to go and be available right here. So you're going to go and be able to search for them, and just like that you're going to go and be able to add them to your portfolio by buying into them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.